Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine, and today we're gonna go over inside those best deals. There's so many great deals going on at CVS. I always say that, but there's always great deals. We could always make it work. And what I do, I put all those deals together just to make it easier for you guys, so then you have a very smooth haul, at least from our part. Because sometimes when you go there, the register may not go as smooth, but at least you're ready, you know the coupons, and you have that list that is going to be provided as well. So this list is going to be for CVS, and this one is already starting for February 2nd to the 8th. So there's going to be freebies and moneymaker, and like I mentioned, that printable list is going to be provided below. Also, it's going to take you to my website, and right there you can also print the Sunday insert schedule, which it gives you a heads up so you can know exactly the coupons that are coming on the Sunday's paper. So getting ready, there's some great deals, and sometimes those deals become free or moneymaker or really low is due to those CRTs, meaning those coupons that you get from the red box machine, the coupon center. So if you have some of these are the ones I'm going to be mentioning on this video. That's going to make the deals a lot better. So lately I've been doing the deals this way. I show you exactly the cover or the page in the ad where the deal is at. So if once you go to CVS, you know exactly where it's at in that ad. So let's get started with the first deal, and we're gonna go over Maybelline. This is buy 2 get 5, and I'm excited because right on top it says we're going to be getting a mystery offer. So let's say that mystery coupon that is printed, let's say it's a $3. So what we're gonna do is buy an eyeshadow and you buy a mascara. I did get one of these CRTs saying Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, which is this one right here. So we'll buy one of each, and the total will be $11.18. You're gonna be using this coupon that came on this Sunday's paper in January 26th. And let's say the mystery CRT is $3 and this CRT, your new total to pay in the register will be $4.18, but you're gonna get back 5 ECB for buying 2, making it 82-cent moneymaker. Such a great deal. So we're going to continue with the front cover, and there's another great deal here. This is the Garnier Whole Blend. I don't know if you guys checked out my CVS going inside the ad, and I was able to mention this one too. So this one is so exciting because it will be moneymaker, a nice moneymaker. So you're going to buy 2 for $7 as you see in the ad. And the ad also tells us that we're going to be getting an instant coupon in the red box machine in the coupon center, deducting 2 off 2. So we're going to take advantage of that coupon that's going to be printing the instant coupon, and then this coupon here that came also on this Sunday's paper, January 26th. So from $7, you're only going to pay $1 in the register, which is already a great deal. But it says here, when you buy 2, you're going to get 3. Making this a final price of $2 moneymaker. Such a great deal. So now we're going to go into the ad in another spot. This one, guys, be careful because it does say select Nivea body wash, lotion, or cream buy 2 get 5. Because it says selected, I'm not sure if this size is going to be included, this lotion. Usually it is included, and I usually get these free. But so if it is included, then this will be a great deal if you have this CRT too. So buy 2 for $4.99, that would be $9.98. I have this CRT here that deducts $10 when you buy 2. It's going to deduct $2.25 when you buy 10, and it does include body lotion. So right here we're buying 10, and there's coupons coming on this Sunday's paper on February 2nd, but there's also printables, and you could actually clip this in the app as well. So if you prefer to do this as a digital and a coupon and a printable, that is going to be provided in the description box, so you can take advantage of those coupons, print them before they're no longer available. So go ahead and stack those with the coupon and the CRT, so that way you'll pay $3.73. But remember, that is if this size is included, and you will get back 5 ECB, making it a nice money maker too. But let's say you don't have that CRT and this deal it is included, then go ahead and do that same deal I just shared. Pay $5.98 instead without that CRT, get back 5, and it will just be 49 cents each, which is such a great deal too. So now going through the ad, this is another spot in the ad. This one is for the L'Oreal hair care, and as you see, you could just mix and match this different products here, but we're going to focus on this one here, which is buy 2 get 4. And the prices vary. I have shared in my videos, sometimes $5.29. When I did this haul, it was $4.99 in the store. So if you find it for $4.99, buy two for $9.98 total. Use this coupon that came on January 19, or it is available to print for $3 off too, and should be on the CVS app as well. Then you will pay $5.98, get back $4, making it 99 cents each. But let's make this deal. Let's take advantage of this CRT using the hair care CRT, deducting 3 off 12. So buy the deal that I just shared, the L'Oreal, and then buy the deal that I also share about Garnier. Right there you have $16.98. Use those coupons that I mentioned, 4 and 4, the instant for the whole blends, and that CRT deducting 3 of 12 for hair care. From $16.98, guys, you're gonna pay only $4 out of pocket, $3.98, but you're gonna get back 4 for whole blends. Actually, for L'Oreal, you're gonna get 4, and for whole blends, you're gonna get back 3, making this a nice money maker, a $3.02 money maker, getting 4 different hair products. So we're going to continue on that same page in the ad, and now we're going to look at and go into Tresemme Deals, which is buy two get two. And as you see, there's 2 different offers depending which one you do purchase. The coupon will apply for both, so it's up to you. But in this case, let's say we get the one that's 28 ounce, that is $9 for both. Use the coupon that is coming on this paper, deducting 4. And if you have the CRT for Tresemme, deducting $2.50 for buying 8. You will pay $2.50, but you're gonna get back 2 for buying 2, making it, guys, just 25 cents each. Such a great deal. So now we're gonna go into the ad, and this is another page, and now we're gonna go into Boost, buy 1 get 1 50% off, which I was excited when I saw it. Buy 4 get 8, and this one, it will vary the price in your store. I've seen it as high as $9.49, and I've seen it as low as $8.99, but I haven't seen it $8.99 in a long time, so I went with the little highest price. Remember, you're gonna buy 2, you're gonna buy 4 total, but the other one's gonna be 50% off, so your total should be $28.47. Use 2 coupons deducting 5 off 2 that came in the first insert we got in January 5th. And if you have this CRT deducting 4, which is the first time I got one in a long time, you will pay $14.47. You will get back 8 ECB for buying 4, making it, guys, just $1.62 each. I'm planning to do this deal, and if I find one of those CRTs that have 10 off 50 when you do a purchase, I'm planning to do this using that CRT. Just a tip, just a heads up in case, letting you know what I'm planning on my haul. So here we're going to look at the big part, the top part in the top of this ad, and this one is interesting, is very different, and based on what I'm reading, most of these products here are going to be $4.99, and here it says see shelf, but usually it's $5.94. This one is $5.94. So there's many different mix and match deals you could do. So the one that I selected to show you today is buying 2 of the Tide Pods and Tide Liquid. If the liquid is $5.94, that's what I put. Price may vary because we're not sure what it may be, but it's what is normally what it is. And then Downy is $5.94, so right there you reach $21.86 because you need to reach 20 to get the 5 ECB. So which coupons we're going to be getting? If you have the Tide Pods coupon, go ahead and select those. These are going to be digital for the Tide Liquid. It was shown in the picture, and the Downy also let us know there's going to be a digital coupon, so make sure that before you do your trip, you go ahead and clip those coupons in your app. And if you have this CRT for laundry, deducting 3 of 12, these were very popular or so constant a few weeks back, but today I was able to see one in my account. So go ahead and check your account. I checked mine in my computer and I was able to see it today. I just need to clip it, so then it will have a different expiration date. Also, when I check my app, I have a coupon for app only. It says Downy fabric softener, so I clip that. So now that will bring down my total to $10.86, but you're gonna get back 5, making it $5.86 for everything, or $1.47 each. So we're gonna go ahead and go now focus on the bottom part of the ad. Another great deal here. This deal includes any Swiffer, as you see, Febreze, but the Febreze have to be household or Cascade. Buy 1 get 1 50% off, spend 15 get 5. So here's the deal idea. I'm actually gonna show you 2, depending which products you would like to get, and these coupons are from the PNG that we just got on this Sunday's paper. So go ahead and buy the Febreze. These are the air effects. I seen it for $4.29, so the other one's going to be half off. And then the small spaces, this is part of household for $3.49. The other one's going to be $1.75, so buy 4 and buy 2 of these. Use this coupon, buy 1 get 1, buy 1 get 1, and it's going to give you credit up to $3. So from $18.12, you're going to use 2 for the Febreze air effects and 2 for the small spaces. So you will pay $9.12. You're going to get back 5, making it 69 cents since you're buying 6 products. But here is another idea. If you want to buy the air effects and a Swiffer, you could go ahead and buy 2 of these and 2 of the Swiffer. Just look around to see which one is included, or maybe the price that you would like to get in the store, because there's so many refill, the ones that are refills. So right there, you just want to reach $15, and our total is $15.43. We're going to use 1 coupon for P&G and 2 coupons for P&G for Swiffer, since this is deducting $1 off 1. So you will pay $10.43, but you'll get back 5, making it $5.43. And as you see, this one could be expensive, so I'm just liking that we're able to mix and match. And if you don't want to get the Swiffer, you could go ahead and get the Cascade, because the Cascade, I seen it for the same price as well as the Swiffer. So now on this page, we are going to look at another deal here, and this deal is the spend 15 get 3. This one is 3, and there's also other coupons or other deals included on this deal too, but the one I want to mention is mostly Persil. The bad thing about this coupon, that is a limit of 1, so, and it does, I believe, expire the same day the ad starts. So if you want to do this deal, make sure you go ahead and do that on Sunday. So what you're going to do is buy 3 of the Persil for $4.99. Right there, you have reached $15. Use one of those coupons that you see here, and if you have this CRT for all laundry items, go ahead and do that. That way your total is $9.97, but you're gonna get back 3, making it $2.32. Like I mentioned, it's sad that we can only use 1 coupon for this deal. On the same page, we're going to go over Covergirl spend 14 get 7. I'm excited that this is a much better deal. Hopefully I'm able to find some of those new products. I want to see those new products from Covergirl, but I have not seen them in my store yet. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you a regular deal you could do in case you don't find the new items. So buy the mascara, buy a brow pencil. That way you reach the $14, $13.98 to be exact. These coupons, I'm loving these coupons. They usually are $2, but on this insert, they came to $3, and guess what, guys? You could actually print these and you could clip it on your CVS app. They're there as well, but remember, sometimes these coupons are no longer available, so just print them in case. And then if you have a CRT that is for cosmetics, or maybe you have a CRT for Covergirl, go ahead and use that CRT, and you will pay $4.98. You're gonna get back 7, and this will be $2, guys. $2.02 money maker. Excited for that. So we're still on the same page, and I don't know why it still says Covergirl there, but the one I want to show you guys is Gillette. This one is buy 2 get 6. Let me see if it's in the same ad. Oh yeah, it's right here on the bottom. It's Gillette Venus razors, buy 2 get 6, and I just did this deal on my haul. On this deal that is going on this week, it's actually buy 2 get 8, and I had a CRT for any razors, but I didn't get any CRTs this week. So if you want to go ahead and do this deal with no CRTs, then it will come out to $1.99. So you could get this one, the Mac 3 Gillette, but like I told you, the prices may vary in store, so buy 2. Since you do need to buy 2, you will pay, your total will be $17.98. That will be your price in the register. But we just got some P&G coupons this Sunday that it deducts $4 off 1, so go ahead and use 2 of those and pay $9.98. Get 6, and it will be $1.99. But this will be such a sweet deal if you guys have any razors or Gillette CRT that you will combine it on this deal. That will make it probably free and money maker. I was able to do this in my haul this week. So going now to this section, I circled both because I did get a CRT today. Once again, when I checked my CVS in my computer, in my laptop, I got some new CRTs in the app in my account. So I want to go ahead and include those on this deal, which apply to deodorant. So the first one we're going to go over is Mitchum. I love this deodorant. This one's going to be buy 1 get 2, as you see the deal that's going to be, and it's going to be on special for $2.99. So it's going to make it even easier for us to get it free if you got this CRT. So check out your account for CVS. So use that CRT, no coupons needed, because the coupon that I believe that is out there will expire on Saturday, so we cannot use it. So you will pay $1.99 just with the CRT, but you're gonna get back two. Then this product will be free. If you don't want to get the midterm and you prefer to do the speed stick deal, then buy one get 150% off. The price I've seen is $3.59, and there is coupons in the Smart Source $1.19, as you see here. Deducting 50 cents off one and use that CRT, you will pay $3.39, but you're going to be getting back $3 in ECB, making it, guys, just 39 cents or 20 cents each. Such a great deal too. So go ahead and log into your CVS account. I did it in my laptop. I saw some new deals there. If you're going to CVS in the middle of the week, go ahead and scan your card again, and you might start printing some new CRTs in your that will help you for the next ad. What a great deal here. This is the Oral-B. This is Crest Pro Health. It includes different products there, and it's letting us know, guys, it's going to be digital, easy to do, that you can send it to card, deducting $5 when you buy 3. Such a great coupon. So I seen this at $4.99, the Crest, these toothpaste here. So once you buy 3, will be $14.97, but we're going to stack it with that CRT that we keep getting for toothpaste. Hopefully you have it. If you do, hold on to it so that you can use it for this deal, and then select that digital coupon. Such an easy deal to do, because all you need is the app. So you will pay $6.97, but you're gonna get back 5, making it 66 cents each. On the same page, we have been looking at from deodorant to the toothpaste. Now we're gonna look at toothpaste. No, we're gonna look at mouthwash, actually, from Colgate. It's letting us know that the mouthwash is gonna be at $3.99. And if you buy 1, you get 2. I got this CRT deducting $1 off 5, so I need to buy 2 in order for this to qualify. So I'm gonna buy 2, and it will be $7.98. We're getting coupons on Smart Source February 2nd, deducting $1. So we just have to see what the limit may be on the same transaction and pair it with this CRT and pay $4.98. So I'm just going to see what the coupon says when I get it, and then check if I have any coupons in the app too in case. So pay $4.98, get back $4, making it 49 cents for mouthwash. Great deal too. So now we are going to go over the same ad, the same page, and we're going to look at Pampers 2 for $20, buy 2 get 5. Very easy deal. We did get coupons from P&G deducting $1.50, and also if you have the CRT for baby care products deducting 3 off 15, then you go ahead and stack that with that P&G coupon. So from 20 you're going to pay 14, get back 5 ECB, making it just $4.50 each, which is crazy because it would just cost on special $10, but getting it for less than that is such a great deal. So guys, every printable coupons I mentioned is going to be provided below, right below from this video. Also, the list is going to be provided below as well. It's going to take you to my website. Any cashback offer, go ahead and set that up. Check them out, which also check out the CVS app too, and clip those coupons way ahead of time so you could be ready when those deals start. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.